Remember how fun it was to play with Lego blocks as a kid? Well, installing Redi retaining walls is like that on a much larger scale. Even for reinforced walls, installing Redi is simple. The Redi Positive Connection System allows you to build mechanically stabilized earth walls that take advantage of the full strength of the geogrid reinforcement because the grid wraps through each block. There are no extra clips, bars, or mechanical fasteners for your crew to worry about. To help you build your peace of mind about installing Redi PC walls, just follow these steps. Prepare the subgrade soils and set the base course just like any other Redi wall. This is the most important step, so be sure to check out the base course video for details. Next, double-check you have the correct factory-cut grid per the project plans. Cut the grid strips to the required length. Remember that each strip loops through the block and extends into the backfill. Typically, grid is cut 2 times the design length plus 3 feet. Inspect and remove flashing or sharp objects on the blocks that could damage the grid. Starting from the back of the wall, measure to the grid length specified in the plans. Use spray paint to mark the grid length behind the entire course of blocks. Repaint with each new course, checking that the grid length and tensile strength match the plans. Now that your grid lengths are clearly marked, thread the grid in through the bottom of each block, starting at the back of the wall. Pull half of the length of the grid up through the core slot. We'll call this the top leg, and the remaining grid the bottom leg. Stake the bottom leg of grid behind the wall at the specified length. Pull the grid through the core slot to create tension. Then, secure it by rolling and fastening to the steel lifting insert to keep it out of the way while you backfill. Or, fill the core slot with aggregate, keeping the grid against the concrete so no stone is trapped between the grid and the block. Then, flip the top leg over the front of the wall to keep it out of the way. See the installation guide for instructions on installing and compacting the aggregate and backfill in lifts. After you've properly installed and compacted the backfill, extend the top leg of the grid to the length required, pulling it taut and staking. If you haven't already placed aggregate in the core slot to secure the grid, do that now and hand tamp. Place the next courses of blocks as you would a standard Redi wall. Continue to install grid, backfill, and compact in a similar fashion to complete the wall. Now that you've seen how simple it is to install a Redi PC wall, imagine the opportunities it opens up. It's time to dig in deeper so you're ready for the next MSE project that comes your way. Download the Redi installation guide now.